Good morning, my friends. It is Traj over at Narena Games, and today we're going to hop into a product demo of our Battle Royale platform. So what you're looking at now is going to be your custom URL link. This is going to be, exclusively built for your brand. So it's going to have your color scheme. It's going to have your logo, of course. We can get with your artist to have a background, image, built for this, whether it's battle themed or just tied to your collection. And this is going to be your own unique URL. You can plug it into your website, you can plug it into your Discord, and this is where your battles will take place in addition to your Discord. So of course, this platform, we want to bring your community engagement up. We want to bring holders to your Discord. We want people browsing your collection to hop into Discord and see, there's some gamification. Looks like there's some further utility. We want to pique their interest. So for that reason, the battle is also going to take place in your Discord. So let me show you what that would look like. So you'll have this little battle royale section. You'll have dashboard just kind of mapping out the platform. You'll have information for important things like kill leader, the battle's ended, the battle started, revives. Here's your kill feed where holders can react and send messages, and they'll get pings for kills and being victims. Here's your prizes. Holders can hop into here and see exactly when they've found a loot crate, and we'll dive into the loot crates in a sec, but being able to see, I found a loot crate randomly, or I won a loot crate for being the day one kill leader, they'll be notified here. And then as staff, as the admins of the collection, you guys have access to the staff channel, which the bot's going to relay all the prizes that have been claimed. So you know that you owe this address, Moonbase whitelist spot in this case. So whether it's merch, an NFT spot, a token, whatever it may be, the prizes are easily tracked for you. So we have the Discord portion, but again, this here is going to be like the UI kind of aspect of it. Being able to, show your users their live stats, being able to hop into leaderboards and see, who has the most kills this season, who has the best KD. Of course, it'll use their nicknames as well, so your holders get to see, their exact names. It's mobile friendly. It's going to be PC optimized, but mobile friendly as well. Really easy to register for games. Look like the Psychonaut Apes had almost 1,000 NFTs register for this battle. So I did register, so I'm able to hop in, toggle my NFTs, and whether you have 3 of these NFTs or 200, it's going to display them all properly here. Again, you have a quick live look at the leaderboards. You're able to see, rank from highest to lowest, who's alive, who has the most kills, who is the daily kill leader. Looks like Liquid is the holder of token 3297, who's the daily kill leader. They got some really cool kind of Sailor Moon psychedelic ape art going on up here, but you'll have your kill feed as well. So different emojis tied to different traits. If the NFT has a certain weapon, a certain trait, that trait can be used in the kill feed to eliminate others, via the text-based kind of elimination feed that pops up here as well as Discord. Again, here's the kill feed where you can check older battles. You can hop in and see, exactly my NFTs. You can do that on the dashboard as well, where you can toggle my NFTs to see how mine died or how mine got kills. Looks like I haven't got any kills or deaths so far. Leaderboards, as I showed you, you're able to hop in and look at, who has the most kills this season. You can look at past games, past seasons. As admins, this is a fun way to do, ongoing competitions, incentivizing your holders to hold their NFT long term. So you guys might have multiple battles in a month, but this kind of tracks the entire season, the entire month, who did the best over time. So able to, reward the most active NFTs, the most active holders, the one who had the most, eliminations, whatever it may be. And just to show you another dashboard so you can see how custom built these all are to each brand. Here's another partner, Anomaly. So you can see both completely different. Here's another partner, the Weirdos. So if you look at any of these collections, brands, it's going to be very similar to this color scheme. So it's very important to us that this feels like yours. Each dashboard's going to be completely unrecognizable from the next. And that's because each collection's unique. We want to make this feel as it's part of your brand, because it is. Inventory. So this is where holders are going to open their loot crates. So let me hop into the test dashboard here, and you can see, token 90 found an exotic loot crate, and I showed you in the Discord, holders getting pinged when they find loot crates as well. So that's going to pop up in the inventory, whether it's for being the kill leader, the best NFT for the season, all of your loot is going to be in the inventory where holders can hop in and open and claim. So the admin panel is going to be the most important portion. So profiles for all your holders, where they can opt in for Discord pings, where they can set their nicknames for the leaderboards. But the admin portion is where just your admins will be, your mods, your staff, your community manager, maybe a trusted holder who helps run battles. This is where you'll have the administration portal. And let me hop into a partner to kind of show you what these look like. So in admin, you're going to have your kill feed template. So this is the base kill feed, which our team helps write. But maybe on the go, you want to add kill feed messages or different, revive messages or different daily kill leader messages or the battle started. You can easily add messages on the fly. You don't have to go through us once we hand this off. Loot crates. So first I'll show you loot crate types. So by default, we give you guys the standard, the rare, and the legendary. So here we have the rare, here's the standard, and here's the legendary. And as these loot crates open, the prize is going to be inside. And as admins, you guys set the prize, whether it's a whitelist spot, your token, some merch, maybe it's a ticket to an exclusive battle, whatever you guys can think of. Or maybe you don't do loot crates for a battle and you're just climbing the leaderboards. That's okay as well. But something really cool to note is you guys can make your own loot crates. So these ones are provided by Narena. You guys can use these. They'll open up and kind of show the prize. Or you can get really creative, like our partners over at the Psychonaut Apes, who made their own loot crates. So they made theirs like briefcases tied to a movie called Fear and Loathing. It's like a psychedelic movie, and that's a big part of their lore. So you guys can do that as well. You can make your own loot crates. So here's the standard one. Maybe they'll put like whitelist spots in. And here's the exotic and the gold one for maybe NFTs, merch, maybe their off-chain token. So you can get really creative with the different loot crates, and you can call them anything you'd like as well. Then you have loot crates showing all the prizes that have been claimed. So you can hop in and say, okay, looks like the winner from yesterday, Kota Shibushi, they won a Psychonaut Ape Division NFT. Looks like their address is right here. Let me send their NFT and hit deliver so I know it's been sent and you're onto the next prize. So really user friendly, not just for staff, but for your holders. They win a giveaway or they win the battle and they get to sit back, they claim their loot crate and they wait for the prize. No more tickets, no more Twitter DMs, no more waiting for a mod to be active. It's really, really easy on both ends. And then games management, this is where you're going to spend most of your time. So this is where you decide, the seasons, the games, the prizes, how many winners, how do you enter, is it trait specific? So we'll dive into all that here. So first we have our seasons. So a season can be as long as you want. It can be, it can be open-ended. Maybe you'd run one season for several months, or maybe each month is a new season, or each week, totally up to you. But within your season, you can have as many games as you'd like. So let's hop into our demo season here. Again, this is just a test. Let's cancel our last game. And now we're going to start a game. So we get to decide the name of the game. This could be anything tied to your lore, anything you can imagine. I'm just going to call it test game. But I don't have much creative juice flowing this morning, but you can make this anything you'd like. You can make it trait specific, one of ones only. Now we have different options. So regular is going to send all the NFTs automatically to battle, whether that's every NFT in your collection or trait specific, that's up to you. So maybe you want to make it trait specific. So you can hop in and say, look, you have to have, and our engine will automatically pull all of your traits from your smart contract. So it's not something you guys have to add. But maybe we can say you have to have the gold body to enter this battle. So now all NFTs with gold body would automatically be entered for regular, or maybe you have to have, a few traits. Maybe you can have the gold body or the galaxy body. So now all galaxy and gold would be entered. So this is a really fun way to do, one of one battles for just your rares, maybe for just, certain traits that made the most noise on Twitter. Maybe they won a competition. You can tie this to your lore. If there's a break, a fight that broke out between two species in your storyline, you can now kind of bring this here. And it's a fun way to give thanks to your holders who invested in the rarest NFTs, running exclusive battles for them here and there as well. We have exclusive, which is where you can type in specific tokens. So this is really good for sweep competitions. You can say, grab an NFT off the floor this week to enter a battle this weekend. And then all the NFTs that were purchased, you can type them in here and they would all fight maybe for a rare NFT airdrop, whatever it may be. So now you're doing a true sweep promotion. You're not just trying to get the floor up, Of course, you'd like to, but this also now gives people who have 4 NFTs, 9 NFTs, 19 NFTs a reason to get their 5th, their 10th, their 20th. So really good for sweep incentives. And then our most popular game mode by far is going to be register. So some of our partners have 10,000 NFTs. You don't necessarily need to send all 10,000 to a battle. So they'll do register games where holders have to actually manually register. So this is, you can set limit per holder. So if there's no limit, whales can enter all 100. That's fine. You can do a little description, or you can keep it blank. You can post a deadline here for how long they can register. Some of our partners will keep registration open for a few days and then run like a 4-day war, or you can keep registration open for 10 minutes while you start an AMA and then run the battle throughout the AMA. Totally up to you. And for register game modes, you can also set specific traits as well. So just like before, you can do, you have to have gold body or galaxy body. Maybe we'll add in a third, or if you have this face trait, you can join also. So now only NFTs with those traits would show up when you go to register. So again, register and regular can be for all NFTs. Any NFT could register or be automatically entered, or it can be for specific NFTs. For the demo, I'm just going to do a limited game. This game mode's only 4 demos, so I didn't really kind of cover it, but let's do a battle for just 100 NFTs. Again, just an example here. Now I'll show you loot crates. So this is where you can set the parameters, not just the parameters of how to enter, but what is the battle for. So you can set loot crates. I showed you before the uncommon, the epic, the legendary. You can make them named anything. You don't even have to have a tiered system. Maybe it's just one mystery box as all the prizes, or a treasure chest, any lingo you guys would like. But here you can decide who gets a prize. Again, you can toggle these off if you'd like. I strongly recommend having loot crates. Holders absolutely love it. So let's toggle for the last man standing. So the last man standing will get an exotic prize because they're the winner. Again, just an example. You can set anything you'd like, and maybe they'll win 1 NFT from the community vault. So that's the last man standing. The winner, similar to 70K or 70 Kid. Looks like his name's 70 Kid. So he was the winner of this game. So he would have got that loot crate. Now you can also do a second loot crate for the most kills. In this case, Fluffy Sideburns got 7 kills, but they didn't win the game. As admins, you can decide to enable most game kills crate and decide what's in that. So maybe not an exotic, but maybe it's an epic, and maybe they get 10 of our off-chain token, whatever it may be. So now we hit confirm, and now those prizes are automatically in the battlefield. So they'll be sent to the right winners after the battle. So now we'll hit confirm. Now we have to decide, okay, how long is the battle? So the game's active, the Discord would be notified, your holders would know the game's starting any minute. But now as the admins, you have to decide how long is the battle? Is it going to be 1 day? Is it 20 minutes? So you guys have complete control over that. So let's just do a test game. Again, it can be called anything you'd like. Actually, it's good to call it like day 1 of whatever it may be. So for example, say similar to a Rumble, you just wanted to do one quick 20-minute battle with one winner. We'll make it 20 minutes. Maybe you guys are doing an AMA, and you want to run a battle while you're doing an AMA. You could do it this way. Now you also have the option to do a multi-day war, which if you're giving away merch and NFTs and desirable whitelist spots, it's good to drag this out a bit. And holders, they'll enjoy being part of an everlasting battle with their NFTs. So let's say day 1 of 4, say you get 1,000 NFTs to register. So we don't want it to be just 20 minutes. And after day 1, since 1,000 registered, we'll just do some quick math. So 250 would die each day. So after day 1 of 1,000, 750 would remain. And let's do 6 hours. So from 12 to 6 Pacific, your holders know is that's the arena, that's the war zone. So at 6:01, they know they survived the day. So you come in here on Monday, we'll do day 1, then day 2, you come back in, really easy for your admins. You'll do 500 remaining, 6 hours, and maybe you want to revive some from yesterday. So now you can revive 10%. So now 25 NFTs would fight in the gulag, only the eliminated ones from day 1, and 10% of them would be brought back to battle. And when they're revived, they're notified in Discord, and it always will spark some more engagement, get the chats flowing. People love getting revived on the last day of a battle. Before the example, we'll just do 1 of 1. So again, you can, just to show you one more example, you could do whale, weekend war, For just your holders who have 10 or more, you'll have one winner. And since it's a weekend war, maybe you don't want to have to touch it again. You'll just do it 2 days, start it in the morning. Now you have a 24/7 for 2 days weekend battle. So totally up to you guys there. Complete customization on your end. We'll just do a quick example. We'll do 1 day, 10 minutes, 0 revives. But now you can set daily loot crates as well. So I showed you the game loot crates for the last man standing, but maybe you wanted to throw in, you have some whitelist spots from a partner who's minting soon. So you wanted to go to not the daily kill leader, but a random killer. And we'll just use an example called anomaly whitelist spot. So now you have 10 anomaly whitelist spot loot crates that will be awarded randomly to NFTs in the battle. So just like the game loot crates, there's also going to be 10 more that anyone can win. So now we'll go ahead and hit confirm. Your Discord, the kill feed will start populating. We'll go back to the dashboard. We'll hit refresh, and the battle's live. So it looks like Token 13 got the first elimination, 99 out of 100 remaining. He's got 1 kill, and this updates in live time. So in a nutshell, that's our platform. This is really just our core game mode, the Battle Royale. We have a lot in the works. I'm kind of biting my tongue not to reveal what we're building at the moment because it's absolutely incredible and super exciting for all partners involved. But that will be another video, and I really appreciate you guys kind of sitting through it and watching what we have to offer. Feel free to hop on our website, schedule a meeting through our Calendly if you want to hop on a call and see how we can make this fit to your specific collection, because we're quite creative, we're quite motivated, and we're excited to get Narena in front of the masses. So thank you guys. Enjoy your day.